Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to give your Shopify store a whole new look? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize your Shopify theme using the Shopify editor. By the end, you'll know how to pick a theme that fits your brand. Install it with just a few clicks and start editing your store to make it truly your own. Let's jump right in so you can get your shop up and running with style. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and find the Online Store section. This is basically your mission control for anything related to your store's appearance. If you think about it, every digital storefront starts with a strong foundation, so getting comfortable here will really pay off as your store grows. Now, once you're in Online Store, look near the top where you'll see options to import theme, visit theme store, and other ways to add a new look to your shop. If you already have a theme in a zip file, maybe you found something special online, you can upload it right here. And for the more tech-savvy, there's even a way to connect a theme directly from GitHub. But for most people, the easiest way is to click Visit Theme Store. When you get to the theme store, don't rush. Take a look around and click View All to see every option available. You'll notice there are tons of themes, both free and paid. Here's the important part. If you're just getting started or want to keep things simple, Shopify offers high-quality free themes. If you're looking for something more unique or feature-rich, there are paid themes too. Don't feel pressured. There's no right or wrong here. Sometimes a free theme is all you need to get going quickly, and you can always upgrade later. If you want to narrow things down even further, you'll see you can filter themes by industry. So whether you're selling clothing, electronics, or handmade crafts, you can pick a theme that's tailored for your type of business. It's like shopping for a house that already matches your taste. For this example, I'm going to go with one of the free themes, since that keeps things budget-friendly and accessible for everyone. Once you find a theme that catches your eye, click Try Theme. Shopify will load it up and generate a preview for you, so you can really get a feel for how your store could look. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if it takes a little while. You're one step away from giving your shop a makeover. When the theme is finished loading, go ahead and click Publish. This makes your chosen theme live on your store. But you're not done yet. Find the Customize button. This is where the magic happens. The theme is now installed and ready for you to tweak, adjust, and personalize however you like. Inside the Shopify editor, you'll see sections for your homepage, header, footer, and more. Take your time to explore. Change your logo, update colors, swap out images, and move things around until everything matches your brand. It's totally normal to experiment a bit and see what works best. Remember, you're building the first impression for your customers. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save, and don't forget to preview your store as well. This lets you see exactly what your customers will experience. If something isn't quite right, you can go back and keep adjusting. Shopify themes are super flexible, so feel free to try things out. And that's it. You just learned how to pick, install, and customize your Shopify theme, all within a few straightforward steps. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want a deeper look at any part of the editor. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials on mastering Shopify and growing your online business. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.